Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the registration form now. Open Google Drive, choose Google Forms, and select blank or an event template. Name the form and add a concise description so attendees know what to expect. Create short answer fields for full name and email and make them required to guarantee contact info. Add a drop-down or multiple choice for ticket type and mark options clearly. Use a separate numeric field to track quantity if needed. Once done, enable the required toggle to prevent empty submissions. Now configure the form's middle details and logic. Split the form into sections to guide registrants through relevant questions and use go to section based on answer for ticket-specific flows. Add a date/time question and include location or a meeting link for virtual events so respondents know where to show up. Use response validation for numeric limits and text formats to prevent bad input. If you need attachments, presentations, or ID, enable file upload and state size limits so submissions remain manageable and predictable. Finish by previewing and testing every path. Submit at least one sample registration per ticket option to confirm branching and validations behave correctly. Configure response collection, collect emails, limit to one response if desired, and link to Google Sheets for live tracking. Customize the confirmation message and set email notifications for new responses. Share via link, embed, or send invitations. If something breaks, make sure validation rules aren't blocking answers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.